Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick brow tint tutorial. So let's get started. I've already cleaned her brows. This is not henna brow tint, so I've already mixed my oxidant with my cream color, which is in the shade medium dark brown. I've already taken my anti-razor and a spoolie and just cleaned up some stray hairs, so let's get into it. Now I'm just making sure that the brow tint is evenly dispersed and spread throughout the brows. After I've evenly spread the tint through the brows, I like to take a Q-tip and just clean up around the edges and make the eyebrow shape more defined. After I've cleaned any excess from around the brows, I like to let the tint sit for 5 or 6 minutes. What I'm doing now is I'm taking the Q-tip and I'm just wiping the front of the brow. That gives it a nice ombre effect. Then I let the tint sit for 5 more minutes. All right, time's up. Now I'm just wiping the brows clean. I absolutely love the way her brows turned out. For more brow tints, microblading, makeup tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed.